What's up, traders? 7-Star Mike here for the new Trade Talk Media, and we had a crazy day today. Did you guys make some money? No? WTF? Watch the flow. All right, so let's take a look at these. We've got AAL. Look how many times it alerted today. We've got LVS. That was 156% max gain. I'm actually going to skip over that one and go to GLUU. 137% gain. AAL top gain 518%. 462, 375, 345, 173. These are some monster alerts today. This first one here, let's go ahead and click on AAL. Let's go ahead and look at the $14 calls because that was the first one that alerted for us today. I'm going to go ahead here and pull up the flow for that one. You can see there's quite a bit of action. These started at 50 cents, 58, 58.9, 75, 80, 81, 82, 92, 109, 150, 155, 156. They just did not stop. Let's go ahead and pull up that chart. These green lines, that's where the alerts came out. This is the first one that we were just looking at there. This was a $14 call. It alerted when AAL was 13.68. Nice big pop, gave some back, and then just consolidated a little bit and climbed the whole rest of the day. We also had an alert here for AAL. We also had one later on in the day here for AAL. This is the one that made 137% gain. These guys made a 500% gain. That is a monster trade right there. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. Let's go back to alerts. The other one I wanted to point out, a little delay in my computer here. This one is GLUU. This was 137% maximum gain. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. These were the $7, $17, $11 calls. Let's look at the flow that came in for these. The reason I wanted to point these out is because we had relentless trading in this particular ticker. Look at this. We started at 6:54 in the morning. I am West Coast time, so that is 9:54 East Coast. 34, 35, 39, 40, 45, 48, 50, and it just kept going up. 60s, they were still buying. This is all ask side. 74, ask side, they're still buying. 80, ask side, they're still buying. 95, ask side, they're still buying. But you know what I like to do. Let's go pull up the chart and see what we have going on. Let's go ahead and put GLUU in here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. This is what we had for the morning. Little bit of kind of just up and down, up and down. This line right here is where the alert triggered for us. So they were buying throughout here. The alert triggered here. If you want to use technical analysis, we have the first two candles. There's a little bit of resistance there, and then it drops. This candle here touches that level. The next candle explodes through, but the alert came out right before that. Look what it did the whole rest of the day. We had a nice pop, gave a little back, nice pop, kind of consolidated, nice pop, went sideways for a little bit, nice pop, and then it started trailing off the rest of the day. So where are you going to take your gains along this way? Well, it's up to you in technical analysis. Your risk tolerance, that'll change for different people depending on how they trade. But with let's go back to this here. Go back to the alert screen. The maximum gain was 137%. So with a possible 137% max gain, do you think it's possible you could have grabbed 50 or 60% out of that? Absolutely. So we've all gone through stretches where we just can't seem to make things work, right? Trading is hard. If it was easy, we would all be millionaires. So I wanted to point out a few of our members who took trades based on these alerts and made some money with them. They were kind enough to share their actual trade confirmation. So these are all actual trades that were placed. Let's go take a look at what some of these guys did. All right, so here's the first one. We've got AAL. Look at this. They put $900 into it and they sold it in multiple increments for 218, 123, 298, 199, 185, 199, 329, 344. Add that up and that is awesome profits. I left one runner since it's for next week. Nice. Let's go to the confirm room. We have some more over here. We have AAL. Look at this. We have in at 42, out at $1.33. We've got 285%. That's UAL. That was from yesterday. CRWD And here's some AAL action. We've got 72, 148, 310 was the sell, 650 was the sell. Some good numbers there. 22.36 profit on AAL. What else do we have here? AAL, this was a swing from yesterday for 650. This is $464 in profit from today's AAL. Good job there. We have another one, 1788. That was for AAL. So you can see that if you pick up on some of these alerts and get in, you can make some serious money here. GLUU, here's one for GLUU, in at 60, out at 85 and 87. Awesome job, guys. Here's another one. What do we have here? GLUU, 50% in 2 hours and 30 minutes. That's a $430 gain. Guys, if you trade these alerts, it is possible to make some great income. So trading with an alert system doesn't mean you're going to be a millionaire overnight. There are alerts that don't work out, but with proper education, we have a pretty good success rate of picking the ones that will work out, and the ones that don't, with proper trade management, we just cut them where we need to cut them. So if you're looking for a system that can help you find trades to take, and if you need a community that is super supportive and big on education so you know how to do this and not just follow other people, join us. Click that link below. Special 20% offer for you guys. Come join us, check it out, try it out for just a month. If you don't like it, no commitments. Try it for a month, see if we can help out and change your trading, and let's go grab those profits.